Hi, in this video on my Raspberry Pi with breadboard controlled by the RaspberryPi2 and the 3-bit counter, I stopped last time with adding some timer messages like here, and that brought some clarity. However, what is quite interesting to know is how much time there passes between the input state and the reverse state. Well, the input state is quite clear, but how much time is there between the reverse state? What is being done on the Pi 2 and what is actually being seen on the Pi 1 side, this side. So I want to put this code in there, and let me just say see out time, no, I say start reverse state is 1. Reverse state 1. Let me put it this way. Is, and then current time and line. And of course that same line why doesn't it yank? I trust that it yanked or copied, and the same line I want to be here, but I have to put it of course for reverse state 0. So let's see what that result makes. Ouch. This is painful. Why does it do that? Okay, let me this is here. Let me make some clarity and make sure that the error comes with this line. It should. Yes. So I remove this line. I already see what happens. I forgot this here, which means I forgot it up here as well, since I copied it. Yes. Small error, big results. Now you will see it happened. It will be alright. Yes. So let's see how that is dealt with. With the new timing for reverse state installed, I'm starting the control code on the RPi2 side. Then I have of course to start the code on this side, RPi1 side. And here we see immediately start reverse state 0 is 1643.29. Let me turn this a little bit so we can see all LEDs. And what we notice is that it takes a very long time from the first LED to the second. Then it goes on and on. But the big question is, in the on-off-off situation, which is clearly this here, why does it take such a long time? That should be, with a blink of an eye, it should be in the second state. And right now also the second LED is failing again. So let's concentrate on the why of this. Another point could be to disable the whole reverse stuff. What happens if I do that? For that I have to, of course, end everything and then see how I can simply change the code for that, if possible. Will it, without reverse state, it won't reverse then, of course, but will it count smoothly? That's the big question. Talking about timing, I entered the off-on-off state at 6:44:49. Then I decided to press Ctrl C to interrupt the whole program. However, it's more than an hour later and Ctrl C still hasn't had the effect of the program being shut down in the appropriate way, which is, let me scroll down, that everything is being released. So that is quite something. Also, this second LED, faint it may be, is burning. So the big question is, why is it taking so long? And the whole timing issue is a very big thing. Thinking it all over, with this at Raspberry Pi 2 being shut down very quickly, and this not at all in more than an hour, which leads to the question, how well is the code? I've been investigating it for quite some time, and the last idea to which I haven't even come yet is, if I cut out the complete reverse state, will it count smoothly? For instance, each LED burning, or not each LED but each digit indicated for say 1 second, and then the next digit. But what will it be? Well, another thing I think would take, or more appropriately worded, would it be a solution if I translated everything or ported everything to Python, since I actually started this whole idea of the binary counter in Python, went over to C++, and I think that is a nice idea to see if the whole thing works in Python the way I have written it now. So with that said, another time Ctrl C won't work, so I will open a second window, or a new window anyway, and kill it. And here you see it is this, so I need to kill using sudo and that's it. However, the result of this way killing the whole process, which is now ended by means of the kill, is that the second LED is still burning, which would not have been the case if I had appropriately ended it with Ctrl C, but who knows how much time that would have taken. Maybe hours. Anyway, right now I think this will be the end of this experiment, and a continuation of the experiment in Python. So for now, thank you for watching this C++ experiment, and till next time, bye.